What's up, everyone? So this is part 6 of transforming myself into Itachi Uchiha and creating the environment. So let's just quickly recap what we did in the previous video. So what we did is set up some lighting and some quick assets, some background lighting as well. Added the street lights, also created this lighting in the back alley and some assets to fill up the scene like crates and some extra assets, and also added some plants and some leaf debris around the houses and used the particle system to scatter the rocks and some lantern. Also imported our character. So with this, now in the scene we can just go and do other stuff. So first I'll just drag every asset we got into the new collection so that we have our outline organized. And now we will start by just adding some plants and all into the collection. So in the tree collection I added, which I think I can name trees and plants because trees are fewer and fewer plants. So yeah, and let's change the color so we remember which color is which. So let's just add some more collection and give some random colors to the collection so we remember which asset is in which collection. I mean, coloring them is like give us a better understanding of what we have in which collection. So yeah, I like to do it while we have some stuff in the outliner. So I would like to place them in a particular collection. As you can see, those sketch 5 models are all outside, so I can select them, select hierarchy, and then move into the collection of houses. So they are in one collection which is organized, and you can see our outline looks a lot better now as we progress further. So we will be like doing stuff now with our character. So first we'll name the rig properly so we can find it, and here is our character. So you can see, I'll just remind you again that our character is made using a two separate scan, one for the body and the face scan I do separately for a close-up and cleaner look of the face, and then combine them both into Blender. So yeah, that's how I got the face scan. Now let's see what else we need to do here is, so this is a trickiest part to like animate a character because I'm not good at animating a character. So what I'm going to do is use some stuff to like create it, some key poses, and then do it. So you can see I'm still like filling my scene with the asset I got here and there around to fulfill the scene. Now you can see in the left side of the render view that it's look pretty good right now with all the lighting and assets. So this one's extra, we can delete it, and yeah, looks a lot better. Now let's say a bit of adjustment cause the tree is the same tree, so you can just rotate and scale and change the shape and size to distinguish between each tree. And I also duplicated the character cause I need it for different scenes, so using a same character will be like too much. So if our camera is moving, I can just place a character here and there, so no need to have issue with the animation. So the first character I put on the pole will be there, and I just duplicated it, shift T, cause I'm animating it differently for a pose on the roof. So this new character I'll be used to just add some like key poses of dashing, like us as a shinobi, like throw a smoke bomb or do a vanishing kind of jutsu. So that's what I have in mind for this post. So after looking some references which you don't see cause as just a blender window, I just looked onto the like Google. You can Google it as well, or you can see a video as well. Well, the key idea here is the reference was I guess Diego Wood's video he did of the Itachi transformation, so I'm just following that for a reference. And now after placing my character here, I can just go ahead and do some poses. So you can see this is bold pose which we already got, so let's just clear all transform. So our bones are reset, and now we can do here. I have to say, like, we need to see the character properly, so I'm gonna add some lighting here. An area light should work fine behind the house but pointing at our character. Let's increase some. Okay, we can use this one as well, as this is already there, and Alt T will work fine. And you can see the difference a single light made is much greater. Like, we got the moon rim light as well from behind, and we got this light from far here, so that shine upon let's say spot maybe. I mean, area light works fine, but we don't need to like make a fake effect of like the moonlighting is like casting from the left side. That is totally wrong. So to balance it, I'm just going to use a spotlight, so it will feel like a bulb is lit up, or a lantern behind the house that will be like lighting our character. So yeah, let's see our character there in the render view, and here we will just animate few poses or a single pose maybe, and just transition between the two. So we will add two keyframes, one for the like rest position, and another one is our pose. So first I'll just place a character on a simple plain ground, which is like, okay, we can't see that it's tilted from here. It looks like the character standing there. Whenever you like do a scan stuff, make sure you just make the feet flat, or you can just add a cutter object and just cut it, so it will work fine. So I added location rotation keyframe here, and let's also name this frame name marker. So the marker name will be static pose, and then we will just move few frames further, and now we can animate our pose. So first we'll take a look at the reference once more, so I know what I have to do with our character. So now let's start with posing our character. So where do we start? I mean, that's a totally generated rig which can let us freely move our character based on IK rig, so it is a good start. But yep, we will make some funky poses as well. So let's just give it some feet apart position, so it can like go on a squat position, kind of like a deadlift position, but with a like action, so that it will feel like it throws a bomb and smoke come out and it vanishes from the roof. That's how I'm going to animate it. So let's do some quick posing. Oh, feel like it's doing a bird step. Well, it will look fine if I had it like shoot it on a green screen, but I guess when I shoot this shot I didn't have any green screen with me. So yeah, this is like fine for now. So let's just create some stuff here by moving and posing. So you see that there are some issue with the rigging here, that some joints are reversed. I know there is like some technique to fix that, but I don't need to animate too much, so I'm not bothering to fix that. different angle issue. So I'll just need to pose my character like this, one hand in the sky and one on the ground, like it throws a bomb onto the roof, a smoke bomb, and disappear from there. So I'm just going to give it a cool pose on top of the roof like this. It'll fine. And let's just move the down. Looks nice in the side view. Well, this is cool, and this is kind of working somehow. So all joints I need to move here and there for that. And let's say this looks kinda okay. What we can else do, move the hip joints and the yeah, okay. Oh, so I have to move the head more. I was moving the neck bone, so it's like wobbling like an owl. Let's just move the hand, move it a bit lower, and the hand also down. In this hand we need further down. So like yes, this is the pose I want to strike. More like bend down pose. I think this knee needs to fix the position. The feet is too much apart, and why it looks okay. I guess moving a bit to the left for fine. Well, this pose looks okay. Yep. One thing is that the hands came very bad, so I have thought of like if you are doing stuff and your hands don't come out well, you can just go ahead and like add another hand model and match skin tone with your character, so that will work good for you. So I have a key pose and I keyframed it as well, and I can rename that marker the pose as well, on roof initial pose. And now we can see the transition. Anything else need to be changed? Let's just see the reference. What else we need to update on this one? So yeah, looks okay. Maybe few frames forward for the pose, so you can see how smoothly it transitions from that to this. But not smooth. I think we need like quick snap from like bam, it throws a bomb like sudden. So I think I'll move it here. The 10 frame gap will work fine. Okay, looks cool. This one looks cool. And how about this one? Something might. Let's see what else we can do. Okay, so I cleared a pose. I need a pose in between. So let's try it again. I have moved the keyframe and clear the transformation. That doesn't mean that the keyframe has a zero transformation. No, the keyframe is set on the pose we created, and I'm just trying to create another pose and see how it will look. So don't need to worry. Let's just quickly give it another pose. Okay, this is fixed. Let's just fix some hand rotation. Here you can see this hand scan is very weird. I guess Kiri engine is improved a lot, so if you scan a character right now, you will just get a good result. But instead, I'll say if you want a cool hand movements, like all 5 fingers to work, so you just need to do is add another hand model and then fix it. So here you can see the hand is too much distorted, which I'll be fixing right now. Here, like sometimes the IK rigs work pretty fine, except this joint issue that occur quite often, so I need to find out some solution for that. So yeah, I have one more keyframe in between the two poses, so like it goes very sudden, so I'm just going adding a in between keyframe, you can see a pose, so that will work fine. Let's see what else we can do. Let's go. Whoa, now it's look like a DJ. Okay, so the sudden keyframe movement, I fixed it, and let's say up easier. Okay, like adding 2-3 keyframes looks fine, but that middle one is like kind of feeling weird to me. This one, the DJ frame, that time I don't know that we can press Alt S to smooth out animation, or Alt O to like fix or smoothness, add smoothness. So why this red dot coming along, that I don't know. Maybe it's a sign marker to the rig color, maybe. I have never seen that before, so I guess so. Okay, I need like only one key, so I don't mess up with another. Okay, why all locked? One open is okay. This is the one I need to fix. So let's say, well, I guess bouncing back, bounce back looks okay, but what I want is like go down and come back. Let's see if we can just fix it somehow. Maybe elastic. This is too much. Bounce is good, but bounces are too many. We can see now, we can't see, so I guess so it looks okay, cause we can't see the bounces. And oh, I think the red is the location and the yellow is the position keyframe somehow. Let's try noise. So full model is noisy now, so I'll just let's just restrict for few frames. So frame 50 to 60 works well, right? Okay, need too much strength. Like this is the phase which you need to work on, so the effect you are making is looks cool. So here I am trying to like add some movement to the character, not a dead shot. Well, the movement doesn't, like we can't catch up in the camera what's happening, so let's just give it some scale. No, increasing strength might be work. What else we can do? Changing the phases, just change the animation. Okay, so I think it's looking kind of very weird now. I think too much weird. We will need to like decrease the strength, or maybe let's see how it works out. So fixing some poses right now, so it won't look like a DJ is going to just start its session. Just fix some hand positions. So it's like first he take the position of doing the action and then he do the action. So based on that, just animating quite a bit here and there. Okay, what else we missing here? Oops, I didn't keyframe that part. I just changed just bit outwards, and I guess select everything, eye and location rotation. Okay, the bounce back is too much, I think, but at least it's not a dead moment, so decreasing strength will work fine. Okay, looks cool. Maybe a less strength. It's not visible right now, but I guess it works fine. I mean, it has some movement. Let's just rotate the what else we can do to fix this creepy pose we got there of with is like we call it a knee. Fix the knee. Okay, now looks okay. Maybe need to change the hand position a bit, and also I guess the hip position, or it's fine I think. Let's just change the hand position. Well, I would say before animating this I have tried like doing many times the same, striking the same pose, so I can just get a reference and just place the character accordingly, because this is my 3D scan, so I want to know that how I look if I pose like that. So yeah, I did couple of times and then did in here. Well, doing it actually in real life is pretty easy than doing in 3D, so maybe that's too much, I guess, weirdness. Let's fix the head position. That's the neck. We need to rotate the head as well. Now looks okay, and I guess what else? This needs to go further out. It's extending, which we don't want. Look like ape pose. It's going to do a ape dance right now. Okay, this looks fine. I mean, this works fine. Pose is a bit better. The hand position need to be fixed. And yeah, well, what happened here? How it goes like in this? What a pose! Just fix this rotation and elbows out. Just a bit. That too much. Let's rotate. This one's not gonna rotate it. Yep, this one is that. And let's just move the hand outwards. Fine. Let's keep location and rotation, and bam. What happened now? I have like fixed the position, but what just happened here is looks weird. I keyframed the location of the hand, and the hand position was correct. What just happened in that nick of a time? Everything. Oh, I see. I turned off the keyframe, so I guess that's what happened. Let's add the location rotation keyframe, and yeah, okay. Is that hand too high? Yep, now let's go. Just bring it forward and inward, just like this. like, oh. And here, okay, looks fine. You see, like, the scan is looking like, wow, like it's pretty good scan though. That hand pops, I guess not, looks okay. And let's see from the far what we got. So here, and yeah, so it looks okay. We can't see this, so with this frame start, that will work, I guess. Let's just increase decrease the animation time, so it's like boom. Oh, that's, I guess, work. Yeah, that one looks fine. So far, in this video we just post our character. We already have the first pose of the pole sitting and the second pose is ready, and for the remaining animation and finalization need to just fix some foreground stuff, which is the main animation, and then we are good to go. So if you are watching this video today, there are still some the discount sale going on, so you can just check out and grab everything till today. So yeah, bye bye, that's it, until next time.